Welcome to my new intro.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this is Vlogmas Day 20. Yes, Vlogmas Day 20. And guess what, guys? Guess what I'm gonna do today, guys? Yes, before I go on in this video, yeah, you know what I want to do for me? I want to subscribe, I want to share it out, I want to tell a friend that life with Korgudas, just drop a bad video. You understand? Just drop a video and tell them, say, make sure when them come, them subscribe to the channel. Yeah, right, that's a she. So anyway, people, what I am going to do is I am going to react to the comment from this video. Yeah, the video, yeah, I'm making a listen a little part of it. Well on the paper. The video, yeah, me attack people. I say, oh, you love carry feelings, so. Tie up my end. So yes, people, I will be reacting to the comment. You understand? I'm big of myself, Teflon. Teflon is the one that gave me this idea. So I'm big him up. I don't know. So anyway, guys, let's get into it. I don't want to talk too much because the comment, there are a lot. Whew, I gotta read a lot, guys. I'm gonna like reading them. But anyway, let's get into it. So yes, the first comment me book up in is from Chef Andre Davy. Yeah, see right this one? Yeah, right this one. Himself like, he might laugh, you know, he might laugh. And I see it. You see him laugh at the gun, and I say Teflon at the general. And he say Teflon Dan general. You know, so I say Tef at the general. Right, that's all. Tef, you don't know you're a general. We were the general for the army and the navy.
Yeah, boy, yeah, baby.
Anyway, we're going to the next one. So Nico, nice. Go and pick up yourself now. Snuggles wife. Good body, nice. Yes, she right the so Nico the say that was funny. Who are you? She had talked about me, but that is who are you? And I said, damn, why you laugh? No, baby, you stop too quick. LOL. She said, laugh all loud. You understand? So yes, guys, let's go into this is Shine and Family. Guys, yes, so we're going to read this is Shine and Family. She keep it simple and it a killer. She just sit here waiting and she a laugh out backside. She was the first one to comment on the video actually, guys. You understand? And so she come back with her next channel again. Yes, oh, and love Shy Baby. And she said, good one, Corey. Yes, thank you, darling. Thank you. Yeah, good one. Right, that's a she. Yes, all right. Then Nico Nice. So you know, so Nico Nice listen to the video and get into it. You understand? So she sending condolence in the video. If you don't go back and watch the video, you don't know why she said condolence. You understand? Yeah, she has sent condolence. Say, my condolence also, blessings also. Oh, wow. Yes. Big up yourself. Nice. And thank you for that. I really do appreciate it. So next, I'm going to my sister. And she said, thanks, sis, with a crying face. That is Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle, guys. Sis, I love you so much. You know how much I love you. You know, once you hurt, I am hurt too. you know, anything there, it's like it's wrong with me also, you know. But just keep strong, you know, so I love you. Yes, I mean. Um legit Chan. Because of some mama, legit Chan say I died. Lord Jesus. She a laugh, you know, and she a cry at the same time, and she dead. And oh, she do it. Oh, you do it, mama? Oh, you dead and you dey laugh and you cry at the same time. Big up yourself, mama. I'm glad to say me can do something we actually make on a day. You know, this is what I want to do. Make people laugh. You know, I feel good when I see comments like this. At least me know some do something good. And big up yourself, Teflon. You understand? Yeah. So vias again. Vias again. So guys, I don't want to feel no way now. You see, if you comment after this, once you don't see you comment in the video, yeah, that means you comment after I post the video. You understand? You comment after I post the video. After I edit it up and some. So Vias did she kill herself with laugh again. See her? Watch her. Sweetheart, man. Cooper mix up Tef. Tef mix up, you see? Tef, what make you stay so? Why you stay so? Sure. Teflon and why you stay so? Second time watching and I'm dead with laugh and be a fire, you know. Tef like armsos. Like armsos. You see me? Like armsos. Ray, guess who is here, guys? Guess who is here in the comment section? No most good body watch Natals. You know watch Natals? Right, that's a she. Watch Natals. So everybody who comments on a channel, I get put up. See him on a comment, I see him with the comment I got there. You understand? I'm not going to see one on a comment right there. So big up on yourself. That's it. What Natals is saying, amazing, as honestly. Alright. No, sir, Teflon, you busy in the chat, eh? Or what are you busy in the chat? You're busy bad. Man, not lie, but I like it. Me really like it, Teflon. Me like it. Teflon is drinking liquor. Largely with him hand on him head. Oh, I do it. Why am I do that to Teflon? Why am I do it to Teflon? Anyway, guys. Next up, you know who we have? We have Beauty Citron. Beauty. Beauty is the person who me not enter no eating competition with her for real. If you know say me and Beauty Citron, they enter a competition, people, you just know say me go fi lose. Me just in there for the fun night. Me no go fi win. Because remember Beauty belly na on her bottom. Big up yourself, Beauty. What Beauty say? Beauty say, Teflon, you're not easy. You're not easy, Teflon, to throw. You're not easy. Don't call my name. Anyway, guys. So, yes, this person name is Firestorm788. I don't know that person. I don't know the name. You understand? So, see there? Firestorm788. If you don't know him, just pick him name call over here. Him say, curry powder 100%, and him sending kiss face something. Yes, guess who is in the building? The love doctor, the love doctor, the love doctor, the love doctor. Big up yourself, ma. Yes, the love doctor, they kill herself with love. Mosa, it's sweeter, you see? It's sweeter. It's sweeter like when she over there and she have the buckle and she has suck out the buckle and she have go on with herself. You know them with her? Love Dr. She. Right, that's the she. What? She. Right, that's the she. Next up, we have Beauty again. Beauty, comment again, you know? Beauty, watch this, people. Beauty say, nice one, Corey. Thank you, darling. I do appreciate it. I appreciate you saying that. Yes, I do. You understand? I appreciate you saying that. You understand? No, sir. Love Ice Ag. No, Love Doctor TV Ag. Love Doctor, you're busy too, man, mama. You're busy, sir. She said, you did well on. You don't easy. What is it? Thank you, darling. I appreciate you guys saying this to me. I feel good. Them something I mean a lot to me. You know, the Teflon busy bad. I wonder if him tired. People, I wonder if Teflon tired. Teflon are dead with laugh, you know. Teflon are dead with laugh. Fire emoji and all these things, people. Teflon are dead with laugh, you know. No, Tef. It's sweet, you bad. It's sweet, you see. Sure, I want to slap you. Anyway. I feel good. The comments them have me a crack up. I'm read the comments them so much. You ever got somebody video and the comment have you a crack up? Like the comment come like you better than the video? Yeah, I saw the comment. So the one Bullseye now, Bullseye TV. Bullseye said bumbleclad. Then catch theft to us. It's a bumbleclad, them catch theft to us. Ah, yes, Bullseye. Yes, because of Bullseye. So next, we have D&D News Media. Mr. People, when D&D in the premiere, yeah, D&D though, if I real, me I go put it on my channel. D&D say, if I real, me I go put it on my channel. Oh God, guys, I don't know how to see me and focus by the internet. I promise myself, you see, if me or anybody have anything on the internet, once the person don't take it to the internet, it won't reach to the internet. It will be in private. You understand? Yeah. Alright. So yeah, that's D&D. D&D is... So now we have your girl Shanti. Shanti, big up yourself, mama. Shanti said, Teflon get nervous and then she laugh out. Yes, people. Nico nice say curry with a plate of food and I'm gonna eat some curry chicken and rice right now. Nice, don't do that to me. I'm gonna eat some curry chicken and rice right as soon. Right now. Nico nice is laughing again. Sweetheart, you see? It's sweetheart. It's sweetheart. Sweetheart, it's sweet, yeah. It's sweet, yeah. Bias again. Why Bias a pick up for Tef? Bias say, laugh out loud. Teflon, she no get you. Nice, it's peeping. Oh, that was your people that look for. Anyway, nice, big up yourself. God like, big up yourself. God like, say bang, 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 bang. This remind me of the song where Lincoln Tree that sing. Bang, bang. You hear my intro? Right before? Yeah, right, that's a she. Love Dr. TV again. Darling, thank you. She said so sorry for her loss, Nisi. Thank you, Love Doctor. Thank you. Who this? A Snuggles? Snuggles. Oh, the video sweet. Snuggles reach ya. Cause no Snuggles are king mixed up, you know. Snuggles reach ya. No, it's just Snuggles just a people time, yeah. You might make sure say I see what I go on. You might make sure say I see what I go on. Snuggles reach. Big up myself, Snuggles. I don't know, it's all about love. Big up myself. I hope the program is okay and everything is good with the program. You understand? Yeah, you understand? Watch Natal's again, which is dead with laugh. Then she said, "Cho." Anyway, guys, big up on yourself. Thank you guys for watching my video. You understand? I hope you guys enjoy VLOGMAS VLOGMAS 20.